Welcome once again to my channel. I remain your one and only MMI Make Money with Ify, and today I've brought your way again another amazing video showing you website where you can make money, where you can hustle little money into your pocket. Let me not call it account, into your pocket for easy access. And today the first video we have on our list is Covertise. But before I proceed, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and also leave a comment on the comment section below, as it will help speak well of our video and help us reach a wider audience who really need these videos on how to make money at home or with ease. So like I said, the first one we have is Covertise. If you look at the word Covertise, you could hear something like advertise, right? But this time around, Covertise means um using your car to do adverts. So this particular website is for those who have cars. If you don't have car, brother, sister, this is not for you. So if you have a car and you know you are ready for a company, a big firm, a small firm, whatever, as long as they have the money to pay you, as long as you're ready for them to use your car for adverts. Now look at this video on the screen. You will see cars, they have label. Look at this one, Glam Squad. It has a lady with a makeup brush. Look at every car. You can see, if you're a cab driver, or you move around a lot with your car, then this video is for you. As long as you're ready for them to make use of your car to advertise people's business, people's company, people's product, then you will definitely get paid. So all you have to do is register. What are you registering as? A brand, you have a company, or a driver? Then you click on the driver and do what? Fill in the form, the location, whatever they want you to fill those things out, and also get ready to become a Covertise. You do it with pride and you earn money. So this is the first video I have for you today to show you how you can make money with your car. You don't have to sell, you don't have to use your mouth, just use your car. Let your car do the talking. Okay guys, let's move to the next video. And before I proceed, MMI fans, just go ahead, hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and also do what? Leave a comment on the comment section below. So let's proceed, guys. So guys, here is the second website I'm talking about. It's called Snapwire. Okay, this website is all about you, all about me, because I know you're a picture lover. I know you like taking pictures. So if you know you love taking pictures, wherever you are, you snap, cap, you capture. You like snapping your food, you like snapping your environment, you travel, you're a tourist, whatever you do, as long as you like taking pictures, then all you have to do is come into this website, join the community, and get ready to be paid for your pictures, for your content. A lot of people are out there, they need it. Companies are out there, they need it for their advertisement or whatever. So if you know you love taking pictures, if you know you're a fan of selfie, whatever, just join this community, register with them, put your picture out there, and when somebody comes to get it, they get you get paid for it. That does not hurt, right? It doesn't take anything from you. Instead of snapping pictures for free, now you get paid by taking pictures. So just go ahead and register with this community, Snapwire, and also let your work speak for you and make that money. So let's go ahead to the third website where I'm going to be showing you how you can make money. So beloved, here is the next website called Transcribe Me. Now you might have come across it, you might not have, but if this is your first time hearing about it, Transcribe Me is a website where you make money for transcription. What you have to do is transcribe for people. They bring videos and they want it in written words, you transcribe for them. They need audio and they want it in written word, you transcribe for them into a written word. Videos into a written word, audio into a written words, whatever that has sound, and they want you to transcribe for them. And some people need written words transcribed into audios, written words transcribed into videos, whatever. This is the place for it. Even though you can do it as a freelancer, all you have to do is log into transcribeme.com and you register as a freelancer. Now I'm just going to let you know about Transcribe Me, but I'm also going to show you a tool you could also use to make sure your work is well acceptable, well recognized. They know that wow, you are good at what you're doing, no error, no mistake in your job. Now, for you to be able to enjoy this particular work, you need to have this website with you also, name Scribby. Go to Scribby and sign up. Okay, with Scribby you can be able to transcribe your audios, transcribe your videos into written words. Yeah, Scribby. So have Scribby to be able to work perfectly on Transcribe Me. I hope you enjoyed this video, and let us move to the last and not the least. Have you ever wanted to have a website? Then this next video, next website is for you. Hey, lovelies, here is the last one for today. Have you ever wanted to have a website? You want to have a website, but you don't have money to pay for hosting, pay for domain, you know, um, do all those things. You just don't have the money, but you really want to have a website. Then this video is for you. You're at the right place. All you have to do is go to your Google search bar and type site.google.com, google.com, and it's going to open, and this is what you're going to be seeing, guys. You can see there's templates, everything's made available. All you have to do is create your own website. This is it, guys. This is it. Site. Just click on site. You can come here and begin to create it. You can see it. Start a new website. Start a new website. So all you have to do is proceed. So you can select something like this. You can come to the template. This is it. You can begin to embed it, add page, whatever you want to do. I'm going to make a video, guys, sharing with you how you can perfectly edit and make a website from this particular particular website. And not just that, I'm going to show you also how to add your AdSense account, Google AdSense account, to it. And you see, without spending 1 naira, you're going to be making thousands of dollars from this particular site. So I'm going to stop here today in our next video and make a new video separately for this, because this is going to take time. I just wanted you guys to know about it so that you can look out for my next video. Do have a nice day. Love you guys. Thank you for coming back. Do have a nice day once more. Mwah.